Landman, last one.
Maybe and so maybe Mr. I say Mahama is greedy.
Oh, that one he withdrew it. He withdrew. He said he's sorry. He said he's sorry. Oh, he said he's sorry. He withdrew it. He withdrew it. Let's not hammer that. That one,
I didn't hear him withdraw.
Oh, he said he's sorry.
I didn't hear him.
I heard it.
I am sitting on this platform, and he says Mahama is greedy.
Oh, I'm saying he said he's sorry.
And wait, Mahama is greedy because Mahama opede oil man paying.
Chief, I prefer you don't continue.
I mean,
this one.
how can
Chief,
you say
I
this?
prefer you don't continue this one because
You
he said he's sorry. He apologized.
You should tell him to apologize to my hearing because I take offense.
Oh, you didn't hear it?
I didn't.
I did.
Why would you? If it's a sincere apology, why won't you tell him to apologize? If it's a sincere apology, you could say, "Oh, why the union is one thing?"
Okay.
Last
I'll let you. For your hearing.
Us there.
Who is he? For
My politicize coronavirus. I agree with him. But he himself is leader and our president has started politics. People are hungry. Go to City Online for the purpose of your discussion and see Ghana Medical Health one complaint about PPE, which you know.
PPEs are challenging.
Doctors are dying.
Yeah, my baby at the badge median so angel in the morning. From a Kwamina Sambani, Chief Hamilton Biney, NDC Deputy National Organizer, and Nana or Casano, they can catch us, and your non quan, the Tons Afran Yera, Yao, Adomako Befi, member of the MPP National Communication Team, Susu Ewofia. Yao Akaba, it is a mobile call there.
Major Smini, Yamiadum,
then Yamiasi.
Oman Penny, ya, and need that form. None in my home. Edajuni esono nutu anamon pase nyema nyina beku yie even in the face of yare we year America kraji o monsem no nyame adawro mane o mampani anamon 2020 nyema ye
that's it remember also chief
the point I'm trying to make in there in the figures baby ayedu 1671 in fact yemfa new one cram back which we know that definitely no e bi wo ha obaba beka kire na oye na yemhihye 1671 year yedu kai time ayewo ahina na yewo na yeko lockdown
around 200 and something
na yewo ho na say ye ba yebedu 1042 or so until they lift the lockdown nanda menyuka say numbers ni sura no kwa ebe na tena ho na ka chem there based on science na data onunti na yesterday ya lift in Ghana for but ekwana na nka ode ye fadoma onyi bi na bantum supporting nanka greater Kumasi yetum ye twintwan do kakra na dam yerbe se bia yetum ye ki ono dam kwa na yentum yamfa do yi enti no approaching in fact no onye the best anka yebotum ya ye no better nanka nda baby ma ye we ya sebi wetum wejina ehu de Kevin ida de ujina ne pependo another but because ye nyina ye hwe de ndema be ye ma ye
but if I can lock down any approach na dey mami bi say we some people too have come out to say that they think that Mampany will have to bring the lockdown back again. Do you support it? And if you do, what should the president should be doing this time around?
You see already my catch on the lockdown is not the issue. Obi enyim no we di man ofie na what's there don't go out equal out nobody will go out.
Okay.
But when you have no food, na say wakacho they don't go out and there is food outside, you will go and eat them and die. Because it's inside I better die anyway. And so why don't you go outside and get the food? Enti na aban owo ho asabi eto de bia yetuato. De bia yetuato damaji be o man paying why a COVID fund.
Yeah.
Sika waba begumu nya asem kakraba. Ya kwa IMF $1 billion on COVID-19.
Yeah.
COVID-19 inti ni ekoji dem sike. Enti ye bibia ebotum ya ye wosikasamdo. Mesmo ba ya ebotum ya hwe ye microphone. But I'm asking you there. Dem sika ya ji nyina no, dam na ye hwe ye microphone ana. That is not it. Enti say ye hwe ye microphone dam a asodem bebem. Se na nyipa no ekomriku no odo kono kope ediba nodi nti abano mo odo ye nyide kasa tintin no ado
oye Ghanaian Times also police grabs 1,326 persons nationwide for flouting social distancing
Nimpa 10 a wodi gwa what on the man. Adibi waka ho. Taxi drivers say basa nne da yeti.
I see.
Medical association for 28 years was the casa about to go there. PPEs in Ada, order was the woman, one son came.
Because now, as we are speaking, we even have 13 Ghanaian doctors who are
13. I thought it was even 10.
No,
when
you
are them, because they are trying to help. Why you do ma work with it? But we are getting all the monies. Private people are supporting. I saw your company with GPH. Once try the war support.
Yeah.
Private people were here. I don't know we can pay BB or the local. To buy the BB or the support to be. About when you $1 billion. Even to date, we will be hearing stories from the GMA telling us that one doctors were threatening us with when man Boko baby or the because in terror order was share our PPE. I will protect one equipment I will use no other human one sign kind. And you know, if you're the Madi, which I know we are going there,
we'll go
there. They by president and they promise about hospitals now. They know there. President Akufo-Addo, coronavirus are bampara, but we see the there about Fahuna or the politics.
And it's there.
Now on share Messima Yabrabu Ubutumpo.
So more medasipi. Bremwe, the issue of we have not taken decision to lift ban on social gathering. And maybe be a corona and some fear name Pempensua ya babedu. And Crofoni being so come near the social gathering social distancing no near they achieved 1,326 vis-a-vis our situation here and come near a day and near there. Yeah, Brim.
Medasipi. Manenchia etie for pay, yes, I mean, assumption and from our mind. They now near for a general free and create and find some of mine. Minia, my penny Akufo-Addo. Nyame share that delay no. Then when we say, Brady say better we are say, I may be a Kagano. Into a prepare no, and what this leader no, Eddie Mayen. Senya na danko Akufo-Addo, and nyame yi no sabri ya, and then this your honor. Minia kia wu. Enki wu papa. Na enyam nwanwa ede be pa na Yesu ebe ye amabronsma agiatum ede be pa na Yesu be amabronsma agiatum. I was thinking say chief one candidate omo yi no mama he said something here a year 2nd July 2015 President Mama condemns politicization of national issues. Intinka issue when the ba ye no amoamu ye nyina former president. Yeah, nano out of greed was our baby also a candidate.
No, yeah, out of greed, saying that's our opportunity. I'm sorry. Yes. Nana Samuel Kayano, Chief, your deputy national aid. One my president, no, former president, vote of no confidence. Send us some because your Tiano, his attempt is to score cheap politically. But I'm going to rebut. Linia, the kind. Oman Penny, and I'm on 2 power 2 yentino. Hanyagano. Across the globe will be a bonabaso. At the time where your airport, your tighten security, near screening a man for near the adeno, not Donald Trump. American president was a China for maybe what? Now UK for crowd. People were moving to and fro, and the information they were providing is a Ghana exception. But if you are this if one take. At the time when nano contract tracing ye shasi that and fan of bruche kwa de bi shasi. What you say? And of course, a leader is a dealer in hope. And Akufo-Addo nya kasa no kasa o. Asamu kra na se akando, mo ranking member say de bi o me kasa. Mo communication director say de bi o me kasa. Ba wo dwene no ahwekan. Eni nti no be kasa no na oki mienu. Ne nsem wo ka no e hyem kran, e bie kwan. Say social distancing, munye, mohuhuru munsa, munye we say, you're full of education. And the same crime, yari we, and this is former yariano, are you watch a yariano and casa? Oma wunum casa. What mean yakika yake? Yeah, and this is from Mama Yariana, you who are
Mama Yariana, you who, and your cases are recording Mama Yariana, you who, maybe,
okay,
near the Kaminia. Almost first day of the buy, and say, young coffee China for no. Ghana from your China for Uncle for Mumra. Oh, could you 20 a year say, Akando, one more cast as a no. Emma Chekra John Mama Bekebi, Mewa. So if you had gone that way, Kadia to Spain, near to Russia, near to Americano, Kibino. Ayana will have film. Cheaper, he says, oh, let's just jump the bandwagon. You're for Mumra. Now we did the Oman is strategic. No, I didn't have I said, I'm not going to go that way. And your bread. Now, Papa, the choice of West, no, was it don't let us be. You follow and reform. Mommy, yes, and Africa, the city. And I'm a one. And no, you deny. Come on, the other day, you. Dear Tossum, Minia. And let you buy it here. This smoky can any the hockey can near the Adina. Minia. The sound walk can say, you raise that ye. And now my arena, you can say, dear. And son, one would do a so called technical team, Ebeban. Nani pie, I didn't actually do 15. What about technical team? I'm going to buy what's up to the technical team. A year and a crown, a dent on the image of the Ghana Medical Association. A dent on the image of Ghana Health Service. An affront to the image of Minister of A. Say, one you have fully resources. Now to me, contrast say, NDC for the COVID team. Meanwhile, the so-called technical team, more time, more record, me say, idea end your pandemic. Ghana Hankwa, a few many years, many part 24,500 na cholera chief. Over 300 new year, Chief Mebwa. But say, yeah, where there's where a special case. That's what this one is special called. Case. The novel, where a back. Young families at your frontier. And I see all hands on deck. Maybe I am more on deck. And you say, I won't no more. The country's best at 10. A year opposition, I can see MCA. Oh, so the country's best at 10. One house here, Penny, Meba. So I say, Meba, yeah. Our man Penny, Diano Kayan. Was he in United Fian somewhere? Yes. I the CPP for Motifaco. Oh, technical team for Omo. And now, technical team now, the buy, Orokusupino, we are couple word Raban, or some Paffy. Oh, by any per 15, and now close to 1,700. It's in a home fast, only saying. And I make sure I said the so called technical team record, ni say. Yaria anka Nigeria anka baby more time you create here cholera edipa almost 25,000 chief mebwa edipa who here almost 300. Can you try these people? I mean efficiency 57 they say so ka dokodoka sema enyini ni kana some I mean let's talk of okay can baby recording nam here and na sagle media president meba president mama see any ade minia. And then you better call hospitals, ma'am. You have NDC for because I want to know can identification of vulnerable groups. So what you come say? What now you juma? So maskere mampo. Minimum. Ebi ni sagre media mama see. You buy ye and attach and another danko kufa da Roma. Any see. And can Hassan ye sibu ha? Me what? What you know? Odi ya no twincha ko fo dia ni esibu ho. Ni esibu tamale. Sira me do amade buo ba ko to so. And take a year and that kind of sympathy at 27 years of PNDC and DC. I'm Cotrasia near yes, you're Jimmy Pound. In a case, Nana Kufa, that's more crying. What's it? Share. Adiano. Yeah, the technical and human face, no, you're human. Share 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I mean, you're a year lockdown, you know. Name what ding. The chief with Tia, okay, and the security. Oh, my comedy. Because you're Tia and a Momo could create fun. As a disaster, a year or the same, June 10. One TSA and then confirmed by cancer, move your cracker food, you know, at the fridge room. See, kind of uniform. And let's see a Teddy. No, Professor Munyabi, Nipa Bebrain, our GB or AMA. Oh, your time, you know, says, can maybe what? Opa, young friend, one time on which you tell me, I know my penny share on Koje. Oh, Teddy, I have the records here. May buy and find some fine neighbor. What we tell you? Will you keep quiet? Just keep quiet. Oh no! When you are talking, I kept quiet. No. When you go out, no problem.
No, I didn't.
Chibani is telling me that it's a blatant lie. Chibani is telling me that it's a blatant lie. If an NDC is telling me darkness is telling light, say a lie. Yeah, darkness there. No problem. No. Chief, when you are talking, I kept quiet. Mami Kasa, Minya,
restraining. Minya, compensate anybody.
Minya, restraining.
Okay, I'll give you an opportunity for
restraining. Restrain him. Go ahead. Restrain him. Go ahead. Ebola sika WHO demand $60 million no. What the fine? And also children be amudi ye. Mo koji sika say you and Samuel is say diabetes. Young fancy is sika no fine fa. Today we are going to expose all these things. I thought we were going to be very patriotic and very consistent with the discussion, but when you veered off, now the politics is about it. You're funny and in quapping kings smoke room. Many are some in Trasso. Near Yamis as you say, Share Ediania small moking. Mo dear crowd, the more can say young cousin tomb because more be biddy. But mean your carbon tin now for Shaman 40.
Almost, and it's the first of young cousin tomb lockdown.
Yes, lockdown. So far, chief for Martin the Hanumwa, all your departed in a way. Consistently, I can do. John Mama, why, Sammy, why, woman, you see, young lockdown. Meaning, yeah.
Lockdown decision is based upon the president's signs and data.
And no man say, Mr. Obia no te choco, or te Kumasi Nima, Mook. Obia no, what shall Krabiasia, a more dano. Yeah, young Kakra. America Crana, Yarena Fumo, and I said, the end of the Trump kind.
Yeah, and let me say a deputy minister for a local government now or can about data by Mammy
deputy minister. Local government, you need deputy.
I didn't but
what's the local government?
Now all kind and they say no gender social protection gender social, yes now or can say data almost I say picky data for especially the vulnerable send near when BBC we can identify them and then near home send your father chief will say there are certain microphobia I was say instead say air common be I will see you come me me who say amododo say na ye no aduane do sa
family with you me o share radio ase no were you so efficient like you are today?
I can't say that.
Until Brunisi will be said teething problem. Yare we ya monka yo e nyame adom any president when is ready hu nyansa e na dedu ye e ba ma chese wiase am ye hu se samrofo no kura na wo no mef bi sarande wo no so mo ntisa hwe biem you wake up call to bit mattress near the akoye. And so my penny to an amount. Now say be a year kuya nimuno. You bet me a year. No problem. Name so to be called Jinaso. Now this if what the more 300 go to for. Moko ya na mo chairman. Every kwam is regional secretary kokon honim gas yes or ya. Ewie ya na mo na body call 300 no mama de call ye no. Na mu 30 mo wia. And no say can say.
Yeah, mini confirmation to that.
One more kasa. One more na kasa mo kuya mu 30.
Yeah, any confirmation.
Yan kan wasem say. Oh, mini na social media ye tie ye frɛ regional chairman no o kasai e frɛ kwamizu o kasai ve pum ne na na mo twa je mo 30 bucks na. Me dey ye the person make say.
We na chief mbere.
Hwɛ adwuma mampani abo no. Em said ya ho ye ani brebia bankrofo bi mu. Say Chief Imam Kasa Ghana Nkramofo nyina Kasa. He's commended the effort of the president. Mebwa. Ghana Medical Association. Yes, they will complain because Adiano Amampanikra, why don't you commend him? Sabre Dikin was said Bibia Yanyan wo mayimu. Uri officer be na ochiniye. Na PPs no. Even Landing was complaining. Ana mebwa.
PP they say globally. Global there's a shortage.
Into here then you tailor it to suit your friend's political intent.
I see initially more advice the government say what we need immediately are plenty PPEs.
Now when
plenty but which
I'm coming to give you the statistics so far maybe trust me.
Okay.
Ghana Medical Association for no air twisty facts no. They've commended the president. TUC they've commended the president. A Christopher Pennyfornia so for Kudam, they've commended the president. It's one person about Bamu. Obesa, the easiest way, the cheapest way to say, men son the team from Mugari and say, okay, but Ghanaians are wide awake, say, and this no was what. Many are made the Jason Kadia Drake.
Me issue be was me person ye be ko hono part enti team me say me say mama 2 minutes because ya wo a project o say abadada ne buy one far block back kura embassy so so na NDC for so ka say na do so ba be 88 new district hospitals omo what they be enso yes say na be ya ye betimi digest that particular issue enti issue of one government coming not continuing the project of the other we ba so but on this same issue issue. No, Chief, just 2 minutes before a reaction.
Platform, a very big platform.
It is.
Until na sebi tun safreya, eja yadi na edi mrika ya bayi.
Yeah.
Nyimpa dodo a wote u programming. Wodoso. Iya yete sebi onye de yenyim wonyam semon, ana ye wonyim di semon. Na mo ye ni yenya kwenya nde ye ba betina u platform yi. Aduma ko be fi watina ha wa ke kansama hu a. Sebi omwa ye discussion. Esema waka nukwari bi enyi. NDC fu ye call it on manpenyi onye lockdown. O manpenyi onye lockdown. And o manpenyi keche ende we chechika $100 million dollars. But that's what they won't find Ghana for. And onye dam no
Okay.
In the Rwanda na Ghana, wana no oti. Rwanda in na Ghana. Wana no oti.
Kwambedo ya refer manasi kase manasi.
Sabi jet SM.
Okay.
Ena menyuka say Rwanda fu. We go do a one lockdown, one lift based on baby ma because Kagame moye enye de. Efie bia no ochiche enama de mahon emu anwa enam or the mahon as households. We go to mo den one need ba na why den wedi.
What na fi.
En one na sebi wonyi baby tin. Wa bo wano wo ye cooked food wo de den wo de mahon. Ghana ye nyina ye Ghana. Asema wa be ye nyina ye pede ye ho to him. Na nyimpa dodo wo ka o man. Enti o man panyin si de ye mfa sika ye sika ya jatum. Ye nhwe ne ye nche sika ne ma sabi won na wonyi bi. Wo ye programming to them a was a kobwa ohiamfo. Now so ehun asikafo na ngasa na ye nyina ye hu kan wo fada wo benefit from that program. And you sit on this platform and say that NDC, John Mahama, Asama walk on you there. One lockdown. Now want the more penny there or the Kofubre. Without telling Ghanaians the truth. They, because of the Madia, you can want to deminti. You to Yako discover $1 billion. Me who makes my American organ escape. Tikapi! How do you two years to try and crofuna what's nephew? Again, Adamako if was COVID-19 teaming contradict Ghana health Juma way. I mean, how can you say that? The man say me I don't want to go with your king. I'm afraid about how to grand. Say me with the greatest of respect. On can because COVID-19 team na NDC way document cry will develop it twice what that come a government. Government nakasa president nakasa craft fair impenifu ni won tan ho award dream mesmo obutu mo aboa. Enti party today NDC ayaba bemuda. Sebi at the NDC COVID-19 team also why announcement what the figures for about that was it to go.
No.
So how can you see? It's not all about elections. Se Ghana obi ewa one no boto abana ye coordinator. It is not about elections. I ever tell you can dem ye can dabi. We have collected $1 billion. Yakaji $1 billion there at the Babu man. President Akufo-Addo wan koto PP among our 2 year hospital. Now, Okache no basic hospital 88 or 1 year.
But when you say on top PPEs, I have a little problem with that because there is shortage of the PPEs globally. So it's not as if it is there and the man doesn't want to go and pay and take delivery of it.
This shortage of PPE globally, the reason why I in the President Akufo-Addo Nankasa, and on you pay for what's in the phone, we share in our catcher in there. And now, Uncle Onam Mesima globally yenya shortage inti. Wonye sebi ankran for kasa kwa oba fada oba tinti na me nyuka say enam kwanu kran fire no smart TV award.
Correct.
Trade Minister wa visit site award dam in the manjama nyina.
Chief oye,
John Dramani Mahama in the shortage of PPEs globally. Where to one manage wa kra PPEs libi. Emma wada come hospitals across the country. Are you telling me that IMF now $1 billion? And the China for what to one? Emma China for supporting on the Maya. Say ye pede ye crap PPs now. You are actually saying there. PPs are short into doctors who
any day.
Another mama abandoned provide PPs. Is that what you are saying?
On that note,
I've been born about creating more tongue. Said your mama is your credit and say, thank you, short to cry. At your phone, only media can Japan Accra. when you say despite Accra, when you police upon the Accra, when you the young mamma de buy, said I will carry your mamma, dear, and the other now complain. But Minia, here in the first place, but
come the way can't and come the can't preco nanka way a man penny as see obesi
mammy no there be for certain oh Mr. for certain reasons mammy you Kwamina no
and come there 2 hours
let me finish anytime neighbor number chief was to say I respect him what my decency the choice of words I didn't like it at all near the Minia, near the kind.
No, but I'm surprised I didn't hear.
The fact is, I want to, and nothing why this kind of discussion. I said, Chief, I get this kind of discussion.
But
he's suffering from listening.
He's my leader,
Chief.
He's suffering from listening.
He's the leader of my party. I'm a national executive of that party.
Already,
I won't sit on this platform with you. For him to say that President Mahama is greedy for contestation. And you will not tell him to.
He said he's sorry.
I didn't hear him.
And the fact that you didn't hear doesn't mean he didn't say.
But who are you? I am here. I am here. I am here. Call any viewer for him to say he heard it. Call any viewer to confirm.
In fact, he said
if you will not tell him to withdraw, let him say
it's greedy. He said he's sorry, but he said, I don't know, Yanko.
You are the host. Tell him there.
Yanko. Chief.
At the power mampani yeno. Wo na wonte sa sama make ye papa no ohunu wonte
chief
but on the most serious opinion
chief hold on
oh sir
because some young never to market you
I will not waste my time on chief who is he
listen
so if you lost the battle you should walk out I will not waste my time on this entity who is he
cannot sit here
chief is my brother I will not waste my time on you
what are you talking about
I'm listening but be fair. Don't let this guy to
you are not listening. Okay, you are not listening.
I've been listening for some time, but there's a limit to human endurance. Who see?
I understand.
You
are
telling me that you understand.
What
you called me on your program?
You have insulted me and I've kept quiet.
He's insulting my
national officer.
He's saying
he's a national secretary officer.
Look at what he's saying.
Hold on, chief.
Chief. Oh, come now, disappointed.
Near chief Kenya there also or no one thing. Or no one thing so answer that.
I will not waste my time.
Respect one another.
I will not waste my time on him.
Oh, don't say that.
The argument, it doesn't carry weight. It's a diversity tactic.
It's just fair. So
fairness, listen. Fairness, listen.
So I said that. Oh yes.
Me that's it. So I repeat, I will not waste my time on him. No. Respect is reciprocal. So from the if you want to language, if you are not cancel out of ignorance of the guy, Mami analyzing is some okay. Near the kind.
Yeah.
Number one. Was it this platform is too big? Chief,
if you don't need me here.
Yes, you can leave, Chief.
Because you see, the kind of unprintable words
look, Minia,
and you as the host, you are not able to just tell him to retract that
language.
Hold on,
Minia, I will not waste my time with Chief. I will not waste my time.
I beg you. Yeah.
Minia. Chief, Ote. Minia.
And also one tia.
Nyami nyabra mabonsan de biao.
Oh, the men.
Nyami won nyabonsan mabonsan. Nyami will never.
Unsa hona hold the crack and kase.
Oh, Minia, I tactics. When say you okay na no. I flimsy ya you yami kase. Ade na menyi flo. So long as out here na tie 40. Yembusa producers o ha. One want it.
Anya we say unua so chief.
Oh no. Minia. Ade na yami ba ya be so bonsi.
Oh, there be.
And small yaki tie me ba. No. I will never. To succumb to Chibani.
It doesn't change anything.
I will not succumb to his threats.
It doesn't change anything.
Maybe either you pack and leave.
Chief.
Either you pack and leave.
Let's go. I heard it.
I will never.
I heard it. Honestly,
I will never.
I'm not speaking for anybody, and I can't speak for anybody.
I will choose.
I heard it.
I will choose the words I like. to address.
Oh yes, when it comes to choice of words, you know you're deficient. If you like, let us play with words.
Let's all be
If you
civil.
like, let us play with words.
Let's all be civil.
When you are
Let us play with words, and you realize that when it comes to words,
Don't say that. Don't say that. He himself. I'm saying that he.
may say, oh, you are already in the gutter.
Because the guy is saying
let's go for
President
commercial
Mahama is
break.
No.
Angel,
You are already in the
let
gutter.
him retract that.
Okay, welcome back from the commercial break. As I said, we'll do a video to Angel in the morning live on Angel TV. Femi Kwamina Sambani and penny for any much Komoa and Anope Chief Hamilton Baini, a member. In fact, is the deputy national organizer, the National Democratic Congress NDC. Sansuna Yera Yao Adomako Befi, a member of the MPP National Communication Team. Okay, there was issue of retract Makam and kind idea, but we have to move on. Honestly, we have to move on. Yeah, we have to move on. Yeah, the time so crash on I can't be 7 minutes per any idea. Say honor contention. Unia say one say okay, so yes, oh yes, sorry. I'm found.
Yes, some creature than Akofadi
Deputy.
Timani Akuma Sunche will be. And I'm Akuma Sunche. Okay, respect is reciprocal. So long as you, as a host, any a young of when you know, almost what is so much meaning the only three.
This is
He's being my brother
because
the only three.
They say, open Samaka, wants to be brother. They be say, wants to be brother. That's it. But I know what she has said.
Okay, men can't tell on retract.
I know what she has said.
And so, Kika, propaganda, yeah,
say, Bibi is worth retracting, and why not say,
young commerce, Minia, young person, we can't make you for what you say. Did kind. Domestic production. Domestic production.
People are watching this program.
550.
You call me. If you are not taking control,
Chief, you have made a strong statement about
you are not taking
control. It's well printed.
263,281.
How we say that President Mahama is
N95
and you told him that. President Mahama for
sanitizers.
What are you expecting to do with the
Why are you doing that?
I'm serious about it. If he doesn't retract on this program, the party will have to write to you. Because we will not sit down for this thing to continue. It's a deliberate attempt there. Obaki can some for President Mahama.
Chief,
look, let's be civil.
Chief, you can call for a recording on this program. I can make that available.
Come now, what are you talking about?
I'm saying you can call for a recording on this program.
What are you talking about? So why were you calling him to retract? Because of respect for one another. I didn't hear you. Why would you let him retract?
Disaster by no. President Mahama creative fund. Because people don't trust him with him.
No. Let me control.
What would the other What is right? The concept of right is subjective. Creative fund. Creative fund. Ghana for creative fund. Ghana for the Sikato.
It's not fair. This comment you make is not fair. It's not fair.
What the fair?
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Sika na kufa the creative or the Heskafo. Oh, for this upon with them. He said it. Me try be your hand. Me it wasn't the Sika. He even mentioned the money. Maybe I can't. A program about me. Okay, some they are to be on Sanka. Not a
it does not give you a friend saying the opportunity.
So can you say because we are not choice of where they yeah. It's my from so. Or no the other day as noted from NDC.
Mr. But this particular
the same Sika.
Yeah.
Your mama created 2016 send the kotu.
Yeah, I don't know.
It tells us that people have confidence and you know the impression of Keti says he can't get in your crack.
Hold on, you can't move anymore, Mr. It was just a rebata now, mammy, oh, mammy, just hold on. My answer was I did a time across on the uncle.
Respect my
Mr. But yes, I see, I'm so sorry, I say, man, Penida that don't draw money, because people don't trust him. That is why I'm from fiscal control and the fund. That oh yeah, how can you say that? Yeah, I mean, how can you say that?
It's not a fact.
How can you say that? How can you say that? Yeah, how can you say that? How can you say that? How can you say that? Oh yeah, how can you say that? Chief.
And you are sitting here resorting to insinuations and aspersions. And you tell me, say a better language.
I am tempted to believe that is an agenda for you and your station to allow Adomaku Befi to spew things up.
You can say that.
Because I am very disappointed. Kwamina, look at
you should be disappointed.
I'm also very disappointed in this statement. With this all this effort,
Kwamina, it is not about effort. You are the host. The program is your program.
Yes.
You invite us to come.
Yes.
If I am going,
hold on,
please.
If you don't prepare, you can just
look. Adomaku. See, if you are school, you see. Adomaku mama kanjo. School, sakra boa. School and sakra boa. Sebi. Oh, sabuwa niwa. Iko school den na ya boa. Because the way you are going about the program and the way you are talking, it's not nice. And if you call me for a program and you call him, I won't come because he's not. When you're ready,
the later part, Masenina.
Whether I'm a disgrace or I'm not a disgrace, I leave it to the people.
Adomaku Befi, a member of the MPP National Communication Team, Chief Baini, a Deputy National Organizer at the National Democratic Congress NDC Amanyokono. Yasia Kama, then so a really the MC and Bay cry. Yes, yes, then before nothing, some the time. Yes, I say, maybe Uncle Suye, or I am some kind of myself, Fatcham. I take the blame. Nanko Banka, who knows, I any about Zandi come and I'll be holding.